Your plant is full of intelligent devices. They are monitoring, measuring, and sending out a steady stream of data every second. But raw data alone doesn't improve performance. The way you manage these devices does. If your current approach to device management feels reactive, inconsistent, or disconnected, it's time for a better strategy. ISA-TR108.1 delivers a clear and practical framework for intelligent device management. It helps you integrate smart devices into your asset management systems, improve diagnostics, and strengthen maintenance planning. What does ISA-TR108.1 bring to your team? A clear framework for organizing and managing intelligent device data. Integration tools that connect diagnostics with real-time decision-making. Guidance to move from emergency repairs to planned predictive maintenance. Strategies that reduce downtime and lower long-term operating costs. Alignment with proven industry practices for asset management. This report is built on 3 guiding principles. A layered structure that links strategy to daily execution. A common language for engineers, technicians, and managers. Lifecycle-focused tools that support long-term IDM success. With ISA-TR108.1, you can go beyond collecting data. You can start using it to drive better decisions, extend equipment life, and stay ahead of problems before they affect production. Explore what intelligent device management can look like at its best. Get started with ISA-TR108.1 and bring your asset strategy up to speed. Get your copy now at isa.org/ISA-TR108.1.